Russia's remote mine-laying system, the ISDM Zemledeliye, is based on the KAMAZ truck. Rockets firing 5 to 15 km away to place anti-personnel or anti-tank mines, letting larger areas to be covered by mines quicker. But while it can place mines at the distance, doesn't make it secure from longer range artillery or rocket system. As the system is parked next to our road, Ukrainian artillery targets it with a round hitting nearby, creating misfire from multiple rockets from fragments of the artillery round, resulting in these flying chaotically away, taking out another of Russia's system, letting less mine to be placed in the ground. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.